What do you think of your forts? Hi, Gav. What do you think of your fort?
Like it. Oh,
You like your fort?
I'm going to do this. Ooh.
Where did Gabby go? Did you go through the tunnel? Yay! You like the tunnel? Can you get in there, Nick?
What?
Did you find an entrance?
Yep. It's glitchy, but publicly I'm done.
I think we need to put those pillows up again. Where are you? Where'd you go? Go through the tunnel? Nick, are you in there? Hey, how'd you come up in there? You found a little breathing room? Alright, I'll fix the blankets. Where's Gabby? Hi, Gav. Cool tunnel, boys. Alright, Gabby, let's find you some pants. Where are your pants? Pants. Bye-bye.